Hi everyone! It's the morning my routines. Not sorry, it's not morning. But it's so early. I wake up early so that's why etong result sa akin. Ayun. Nag-prefer ako going to work. Kaso lang, napaaga. Kaya yan, suklay-suklay. Hindi alam ang gagawin. Ayan. Sige girl, suklay lang. Baka may mahulog sa'yo. Charot! Etchas lang. Eme-eme. Wala, naghahanda ako para makapasok kasi naghihintay ako na sunduin. Kaya and then yan. Wala pa akong breakfast and lunch dyan. Kaso parang, I think hindi yata nababawasan ng tabako. My God, what can I do? Kaya yan, sige. Yan, wow, sexy mo girl, sana all! Kaya hanggang dito na lang. Yan, tama na yan, nakakasawa na. Bye guys! Baboom!